on this wonderful Tally API integration, and this demo has been recorded. At the end of the demo, if you like it, you can give us your API requirements. We can also discuss the API format with your team, and we'll also show how exactly the database initial and incremental data.
Sir, can I record this?
Yes, you can record this. Yeah, we'll record it. Or you can. I'm also recording it. I'll send you a recorded copy. Right.
Okay, sir.
This presentation is for actually people who are developing mobile apps. This is for business intelligence providers, GST practitioners. There are a lot of companies right now into the practice of actually bill discounting, as well as expediting the bill collections from various clients. So this is going to be extremely useful for them. And then, of course, e-commerce firms. A large number of e-commerce firms who are looking to sell the products of various customers on a large scale. So I have got 500 Tally customers, and I want to make a marketplace for that. And I want to have a secured way of actually getting them onto the cloud. So I want to, I'll get it. So what is the problem statement? So if you could just be on a mute so that, this thing, I can, so what we are looking to do is to integrate with Tally on a large scale with any cloud database. So your cloud database could be SQL Server, cloud database could be MySQL, or it could be a big data or Hadoop appliances. You're looking at API integration for the entire GST data. So we have actually given a custom HSN extract based on the client hierarchy, right? So currently in the code, if you have registered for this particular webinar, you would have got this particular JSON sample. Right, as far as
I'm sorry, I'm just not registered. Let me register.
Right, so if you have registered it, you will automatically get this. This is the core file which you can actually use to help develop your own API.
API, okay.
Right, so you are basically looking at that. So I'll be actually going through